Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to get verified on Instagram. Now let's go ahead and get started. So you need to meet the requirements to get verified on Instagram. These requirements are authentic, unique, have a public profile, have a complete bio, and be notable. So I'll go into more detail with these. So being authentic means that your account represent a person or a brand. It cannot be just like a fan page or a fan account. It needs to be unique, which means only one account per person or business can get the Instagram verified, except for exceptions. It needs to have a public profile. The private ones will not be verified. You need to have a complete profile, which means you have a bio, one profile photo, and then at least one post. And to be notable is where things get subjective, but Instagram defines a notable name as one that is well known or highly searched for. So in order to actually, if you do qualify for all this, you can go to your Instagram page, go to your profile, click the three lines on the top right, click settings. From here, you want to click account. Then at the very bottom or near the very bottom, you can click request verification. Once you click this, it will pop up. You need to confirm your authenticity, which you put in your username, your full name, document. You have to confirm your notability, and then put in the links so you can add articles, social media accounts, and other links that show your account is in the public interest. Paid or promotional content would not be considered, but you just want to fill all this stuff in. And once you've done all this, you want to click submit, and it should take no more than a month for them to get back with you and say whether or not you got verified on Instagram. So I hope this video helped, and if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next video.